This is what happens to your body when you eat blueberries every day. Hello there watchers. There's nothing very like eating a succulent, delightful bowl of blueberries on a warm summer day. In addition to the fact that they are delectable, they're loaded with an assortment of useful for you supplements. While you can say something very similar regarding most foods grown from the ground, blueberries are having a second. Indeed, even though steadily changing sustenance science and patterns that travel every which way, blueberries keep on being seen as a force to be reckoned fault with. Some say they're the key to shining skin, others name them a superfood. However, exactly how great can one small berry be for you? All things considered, continue to observe the present video, where we will enlighten you regarding all the medical advantages of blueberries. From advancing solid maturing, helping muscle recuperation, forestalling skin breakout, encouraging battle disease to support absorption, and the sky is the limit from there. Watch till the finish to find out pretty much every one of them. Improves brain health. Blueberries and your cerebrum well-being are a match made in paradise. Cancer prevention agents present in them can be the pass to keeping your brain sharp and sound. One investigation assessed the impacts of eating blueberry on human mind work by having members follow an eating regimen enhanced with it day by day for 90 days. Scientists found that individuals showed fundamentally fewer blunders in tests used to evaluate verbal memory and undertaking exchanging contrasted with the individuals who took a fake treatment. In another examination, scientists found that more seasoned grown-ups with intellectual debilitation had expanded cerebrum movement in specific pieces of the mind while on a blueberry-enhanced eating regimen. You can add it to your eating routine by sprinkling it onto your cereal, adding them to your smoothie, or in any event, plunging them in yogurt. Have you at any point gotten into a humiliating circumstance due to your neglectful memory? Mention to us what it was done underneath in the remarks area. Advances healthy aging. An eating regimen wealthy in blueberries can assist fight with often age-related infection and intellectual decay, alongside numerous other persistent sicknesses. This is on the grounds that they are jam-loaded with cancer prevention agents that secure against the oxidative cell harm that normally happens with age. They additionally secure against chronic sun openness, ecological poisons, and stress. One ongoing examination thought about individuals who were given a day-by-day drink with 11 grams wild blueberry powder to the individuals who got a cancer prevention agent to remove drink enhanced with fiber. Following a month, individuals who got the wild blueberries would be advised to the bloodstream and their safe reaction got all the more lift. Another survey found that in youngsters who were given a blueberry supplement, there were reliable upgrades in memory and leader work, which identifies with the capacity to control conduct. More established grown-ups and grown-ups with gentle psychological debilitations getting blueberry supplements encountered these advantages just as improved engine work, including coordination and skill. Betters heart health. Heart illness stays the top enemy of the two people in the US, and blueberries may offer some powerful insurance. Because of their capacity to lessen aggravation and oxidative pressure, blueberries insure against conduit solidifying, a condition that ups the danger of cardiovascular failure and stroke. One investigation in men with metabolic disorders analyzed the impacts of eating 1 cup of blueberries each day to a fake treatment throughout a half year. The blueberry eaters experienced supported upgrades in cortisol work, including decreased solidness, just as certain adjustments in cholesterol profiles. The outcomes drove researchers to infer that blueberries ought to be remembered for dietary systems to diminish coronary illness hazards. Helps muscle recuperation. The mileage put on muscles during exercise triggers workout-instigated muscle harm more aimed. The impact can bring about expanded muscle irritation, diminished muscle power, and impeded athletic execution. Notwithstanding, what competitors eat previously or after exercise can conceivably counterbalance aimed. In one investigation, competitors ate either a blueberry smoothie or a fake treatment drink of a comparable cancer prevention agent limit 5 and 10 hours prior, and afterward quickly, 12 and 36 hours after aimed, which was prompted by exhausting strength preparing. Scientists found a quicker pace of muscle strength recuperation in the blueberry intersession gathering. It demonstrated that blueberry utilization triggers versatile occasions in the body that quicken muscle fix. Brings down blood pressure. Incorporating a cup of blueberries each day can essentially assist with hypertension. An examination found that members who ate that sum for about 2 months saw a 5 to 6% drop in both systolic and diastolic circulatory strain. This might be likely because of the nutrients C, potassium, fiber, and phytonutrients normally found in blueberries. A cup each day is the ideal add-up to sprinkle liberally over a bowl of curds or Greek yogurt with some hacked nuts as a solid breakfast. Lights up mood. No, it's not on the grounds that eating blueberries in the daylight fulfills you, albeit that doesn't do any harm. Blueberries are believed to be a characteristic state of mind enhancer, and there's an examination to back it up. An examination connected eating blueberries to improved positive state of mind in youngsters and grown-ups, conceivably because of their flavonoid content. The beneficial outcome happened following 2 hours of eating them. So have a bed breakfast and you may feel yourself liven up by lunch. Useful for your gut, blueberries are wealthy in gut-sound fiber. They can mitigate and ensure against intestinal aggravations just as ulcerative colitis, as indicated by research. It was discovered that the defensive impact is far superior in the event that they are eaten with probiotics. Proposals are 30 grams of fiber each day and 1 serving of 80 grams of blueberries contains around 2 grams. Forestalls and cures acne. For those with skin that is inclined to skin inflammation, blueberries can assist you with accomplishing imperfection-free skin. They have a high grouping of salicylates, a salt of the salicylic corrosive, which is generally utilized in skin inflammation treatment items. Its capacity to eliminate dead skin, open stopped-up pores, and act against microbes makes it an exceptionally viable treatment for skin inflammation. You can scalp hack for best outcomes. Blend squashed blueberries in with a couple of drops of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of nectar. Apply it to the influenced zones. Keep the pack on for around 20 minutes. Flush it off with tepid water. Helps fight cancer. Blueberries have a wide assortment of supplements, some of which have been demonstrated to decrease the danger of malignant growth. This is because of the great cell reinforcement content which forestalls harm by free revolutionaries to your body. Studies on mice have shown that they can bring down the danger of bosom malignancy and might be viable against more forceful types of bosom disease. Specialists accept that 2 cups of blueberries ought to be sufficient to get comparative outcomes in people. Polyphenols in blueberries have been straightforwardly connected with the decrease in danger of colon malignant growth. One of the top reasons for the disease is eating some unacceptable sort of food source. To know which ones we are discussing, watch this video named Top 5 Cancer-Causing Foods You Should Avoid. Now back to the demonstrated medical advantages of blueberries. Amps up weight loss. Take a glance at the blueberry nourishment profile, and you'll rapidly see why this supplement-pressed berry is extraordinary in case you're hoping to get more fit quickly. It's low in calories, however gives an incredible 4 grams of fiber per cup, satisfying up to 14% of your day-by-day fiber needs with only 1 serving. Fiber moves gradually through your stomach-related plot, advancing satiety and keeping you feeling more full for more to help in weight reduction. Decreases inflammation. Although inflammation is an ordinary and susceptible reaction that shields your body from sickness and injury, ongoing aggravation is at the foundation of most illnesses. Truth be told, it is thought to add to a wide scope of conditions, including malignancy, immune system conditions, coronary illness, and even melancholy. On account of their high cell reinforcement content, blueberries have been appeared to have a critical mitigating impact on the body. An examination found that the polyphenols found in blueberries diminished the movement of a few markers of aggravation. Supports digestion, with 4 grams of fiber in each cup, including a serving or 2 of blueberries can help you meet your fiber needs while likewise advancing consistency and solid absorption. At the point when you eat fiber, it goes through the gastrointestinal plot and digested, adding mass to the stool to keep you customary. Indeed, an investigation found that expanding your admission of dietary fiber could help increment stool recurrence in those with blockage. Fortifies your bones. Blueberries are plentiful in nutrient K, giving around 24 micrograms of the nutrient per 1/4 cup. This sum likens to 20 to 26% of the suggested day-by-day incentive for it. Nutrient K aids your blood coagulation appropriately and assumes a significant part in your bone well-being. Besides, it helps your body use calcium to assemble bones. Keeps up optimum blood sugar levels. Blueberries are strongly suggested for individuals who experience the ill effects of insulin opposition and diabetes. They help manage glucose and control statins. Blueberries have low glycemic esteem. At the end of the day, it takes a more drawn-out effort for your body to process and assimilate them. Along these lines, they cause a more modest and more slow ascent in your glucose levels. They don't cause your insulin or glucose levels to spike. They likewise cause you to feel full for a more extended time frame. While blueberries are incredible, eating them alone would not profit your well-being to such an extent. You need to eat other great nourishments, to augment their benefits for your body. You can find out about them by finding out the healthiest high-fiber foods you should be eating or learning about the foods that can help you live longer. These 2 recordings will help you carry on with a more drawn-out and better life by choosing the correct sorts of nourishments. What's your number 1 method to add blueberries to your eating routine? Tell us in the remarks area beneath.